Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify for printable party invitations business easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. Now let's enter the website. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, here enter your email address and start free trial. Now wait a few seconds. So now you can skip all this if you want. I'm gonna continue this. Now choose an account and now wait a few seconds to build in the store. So the first thing you have to do, you go to the online store and go to the themes. So here are the themes. You can change the themes if you want. I'm gonna keep this themes, the down theme. So once the theme is installed, you can publish it. So now you can publish it and customize it on your home page. It will take you now to your home page store. So here you can change the desktop. You can change the style of your home page. You can make it like a desktop style or like a mobile style or like a full screen style. So for me, I'm gonna just keep it like a desktop style. Here, this is the settings where you can design your home page store. And here we have we have the store, the header, the announcements bar. So here you can change the color scheme. You can show separator line. You can show icons on desktop. You can also turn this on, auto rotate announcements. You can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the announcements. So here you can change the text. Here you can change the text if you want. You can pass a link or search for something. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the next section is the header section. Here you can change the desktop logo position. You can change the main menu or remove it if you want. You can change the desktop menu type. Also you can change the sticky header. You can show separator line. You can change the color scheme and the menu color scheme, and also you can enable country region selection and the language selector. You can manage the mobile layout, the mobile logo position. Here you can edit the spacing and the section padding, the top and the bottom, and also you can here manage the theme settings. So here you can put your social media links, your Twitter link or your Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want to add here. So let's move on now to the logo. So here you have to select your logo from your library. So just for example, let's search on some logos on the browser. Printable party invitation. So for example, you can choose from here. Of course, this is just for example. You have to choose it from you have to upload it from your library. So for example, I'm gonna choose not this. For example, I'm gonna choose this. So this is your logo right now. You can edit it at any time. You can change it at any time you want. Here you can edit the desktop logo width. So let's move on now to the image banner section. So here we have the first image and the second image. You can add here two images. For me, I'm gonna just for example, I'm gonna search on it on the browser. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. So that's it. You can add the second image if you want. Here you can edit the image overlay opacity. You can change the banner height. You can change the desktop contents position. Here you can show container on desktop. You can show the color. You can change the color scheme. Here you can turn this on, stack image on mobile and show container on mobile. So now let's get back. Let's move on to the heading. Here you can generate the text. Just describe what this text is about. Printable party invitation. Here you can change the heading size. I'm gonna keep it like this. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the buttons. So here you can change the first button label. If you want, you can change the first button link. Here if you already added the second image, you can here add the second button label and add the second button link. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the featured collections. So here you can generate the text. Just describe what this text is about. Printable party invitations. Here you can change the heading size. So I'm gonna choose this. You can change the heading size. Here just describe what this text is about, and you can generate the text. You can show the collection description from the admin. You can change the description style. You can make products full width, and also you can enable view all if collection has more products than shown. You can enable carousel on desktop. Here you can show second image on hover. You can also show vendor, and you can show products reaching, and you can enable quick add button. You can enable swipe on mobile. So that's it. Now let's get back. If you want to add something new on your home page, just click here and select what kind of section you want to add on your home page, and that's it. Let's move on to the last section on the website, the footer section. So here you can change the color scheme. You can manage you can turn this on, show email sign up. You can change the heading. Here you can enable follow on shop. You can also show social media icons. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website, now all you have to do is save this, and let's get back to name your store. Let's get back to the dashboard, to the home page. So after you customize your online store, after you add the custom domain, after you import your first product, now the next step is name your store. So here type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone, and here you can change the store email. So that's it. So after this, just launch your online store and publish it. Just pick a plan, and if you want to remove your store password, here you can pick a plan. You can deactivate the trial or choose a plan. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.